To show you everything, how to prepare them, and my grandma, my sisters, they are preparing it for me and for them also. So we are going to show everything what's the needed. So all the things we will collect it and let you show you. Sister is behind the camera, and she's having light on it. Okay,
Let's go. So first you are going to bring a dung cake.
yeah. So I'll show you something. So today means we are going into dark city.
And it's getting dark.
Yeah.
It's getting
So
dark.
whenever we go to the picnic, we prepare the same food. So these are the dung cakes, as you can see. These are the dung cakes. I'm going to put it for the litti chokha, and my favorite food is litti chokha. And we will let you know the sorry. We'll let you know the story behind this, how it became my favorite. And after that, I know that I got no means the people from the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar loves litti chokha, but I wasn't. I was just fall in love from my kids. Only two. So my grandma already put everything. We helped her, but now not shoot the video. Now I'm shooting. So let's go. She said for two only. Come.
Right now my sister is kneading the dough. She has roasted everything. But I love the roasted potatoes. See? My, it is highly aloo. Huh? So here's the roasted potato. Bro, do you wanna eat?
No,
Why?
because if I eat potatoes, then I won't be able to eat the chokha, the much chokha.
Okay. So here is the roasted potato. Actually, my younger brother asked me, "Will you give me?" So I have to means I given him. He is actually greedy person. Yeah, he always when you will try to eat something, na he always asks, "Will you give me?" Actually, I also given, and he haven't given. Then he would say, "You means you have asked me. That's why I given." So I can say greedy. He doesn't know actually what does it mean. When you will ask, do you know what does it mean greedy?
He knows.
He knows everything. He is overactor. Then you will try to laugh actually. So I'm going to eat.
You ask him, Pradeep. You know greedy.
No, actually he didn't want to be on camera. So leave it.
He knows everything.
So, and it tastes like a earthy, and aroma is also really, I love it. I'm also going to peel roasted potatoes, and here are the brinjals. Here are the brinjals. So my grandmother brought from her home. You can see.
Our grandma doesn't understand it.
It's okay. And actually I want to tell you guys, my grandmother is really so good, and she knows how to cook food for 100 people. She worked with confectioner. You have to add spices, and she knows.
No, whenever something happens at our home, some
Weddings,
functions,
weddings or engagements. So she tells the accurate spices and salt, and the taste really I couldn't forget. Video recording is not a only record. We are recording our as a document. My sister has kneaded a dough, and now my brother is peeling ginger, and my grandmother is peeling brinjal, and I am seated between them. So here is the tomato. So bro, do you wanna speak something?
obviously, bhai. When I was kid, I was literally asking from everyone. Whenever if not at my home, someone else home was getting prepared or cooked litti chokha. So I was asking from them by just talking. When if some kid is there, how they ask, they just not directly ask how it's good, will you give me? So I was asking from them like this. And my favorite litti, I was loving condensed milk litti. That was my favorite. still my favorite, but today we are making normal one, only wheat flour and not the sattu one.
Like we are, my grandmother is going to bake littis without stuffing, which means no stuffing.
Yeah.
So right now I'm checking brinjals. Is there any hard?
Check properly. Otherwise, we are the vegetarians. You will break everything.
And my grandmother and my mom, she won't leave me, and they will make a noise. They will scold me every time. Yeah, here is that. Now my grandmother is going to make a ball. See, she knows. She make a ball in a short and also big.
Little as well as bigger litty.
So I really love to eat, but actually I love to eat deep in a ghee. I'll show you.
When I was kid, na, I wasn't loving. Sorry, I was hating ghee, but I was loving milk. Milk was my favorite food. 3 times I was getting. Every time I was eating was milk, condensed milk, or made from anything made from milk only.
So will you cut coriander and chilies and ginger? Just
Yeah.
chop on a roller board. This is a roller board.
So I'm going to cut.
So there are my sister. They also seated on. They are listening to us. Why? Because they want to learn actually English. When you will ask, do you want to speak English? So they would say, yeah, I want to speak like you. Oh my God.
Their aim is to be like us.
Please show them. So ये लिट्टी के कब डलबू? I am mashing them. Oh my God. So we have to mash carefully. I have already mashed potatoes, tomatoes and roasted brinjals, everything mashed with my hands, and I'm gonna add chopped garlic and chopped coriander. Bro, have you chopped
Yes.
ginger?
Yes.
So you can also cut
Directly
in
put it
directly. Yeah. You might be thinking we are recording only videos. No, we are learning English and we are explaining everything in English through storytelling. Then you will get learn.
Through vlogging. By vlogging, we are learning every day.
And while recording, we have completed our one task. And also you get learn so many vocabularies. Yeah. And right now my grandmother is roasting litti. She is preparing litti. I really love to eat those littis. Even my grandmother knows sattu litti. When she prepared a milk condensed litti na, I really love to eat. Have you ever eaten khoya littis, or we can say condensed milk litti? Just let me know in the comments. Right now my grandmother is flipping the littis with the tongs. So these are the tongs, not a tongue. Remember, she is sprinkling salt, mixing it well with a. This is a ladle. So she is mixing it well with a ladle. So my sister has already chopped onion. Here is a open litti and melted ghee. I can't dip because I need a half bowl of melted ghee. So I'm adding into this litti because it's open, and here's that. Oh, it has soaked.
Dal bati litti chokha, one of my favorite.